Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the most secure VPN for your PC. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to betternet.co. In this step, select I agree. After that, choose Download Now. Select Save File. Go to your downloads and open your file. Click on Install. Finally, select Done. Select Done again. Because we want to use it for free, click on Continue with ads and limited features. After that, select Decline Offer. Great! Now select Connect. Now your IP and location will be masked and your activities can no longer be tracked on the internet and is more safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you soon in the next video.